Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in partnership with Sephora inside JCPenney and Makeup Forever. I'm going to be showing you guys how I create this look using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation as well as the Makeup Forever Ultra HD self-setting concealer. So if you guys want to see how to get this super natural, quick and easy makeup look, then just keep on watching. So I'm priming my skin first with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer, and it's going to allow the foundation to really just stick to the skin and last all day. So the foundation I'm going to use today is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and this foundation is one of kind of like those OG foundations. If you guys remember from probably like 2015, if you've been subscribed to me that long, this was the only foundation I would wear all the time back like my sophomore year in college. It was the only foundation that matched me perfectly. It was probably the first foundation that I tried that actually made me start liking to wear foundation, because if you guys know, when I originally started my channel, I was not wearing foundation, and it took me a while to find a foundation that I really liked, and the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation was definitely the winner. It gives a medium coverage, so it was really awesome, like especially when you're first starting out with makeup and you really don't want a heavy layer of foundation. This one is really awesome because it is a medium coverage, and then you can go in afterwards with a concealer if you need to cover any additional areas, but you get a lot of coverage out of this because medium coverage is really awesome to just have a really nice base layer of foundation. It also gave a really natural finish, like it wasn't like super matte and it wasn't dewy. It wasn't like an extreme version. It was right there in the middle, which was a really comfortable finish of a foundation for me back then. And even now I really like natural finishes of foundation and matte foundations. This is actually a different shade than what I used to wear. I used to wear Y445, but I feel like Y463, which is the shade that I'm going to use today, I feel like this is a whole lot better for my tan that I have right now. So I'm going to apply this all over the skin. It seems to have like a more neutral look to the foundation, and it goes really well on the skin. It's a super lightweight feel too, so you never really feel the foundation. And another thing that's really cool about this foundation is that it now has 50 different shades. So like I was saying, like when I used to wear this foundation back then, they have extended the shade range even more. And you guys can shop this foundation at Sephora inside JCPenney and Sephora. So when I apply this foundation, I like to apply it with a foundation brush just because it gives the most coverage that you can get out of the foundation, and it applies it very evenly. You can see, like, just applying the foundation, it looks like skin. It looks like your skin is super healthy. It's one of those foundations that almost look like a moisturizer but with coverage, so I really like that as well. And I appreciated this foundation so much when I first started wearing makeup because the foundation, it just worked. It did everything that I was looking for, and it still is performing amazing to this day. So if you guys want to try out this foundation, you can head to your local Sephora inside JCPenney or Sephora to check out the 50 shades of this foundation. I'll have a link in the description box where you guys can check out this foundation. So for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD self-setting concealer, and I'm going to use the shade 41, and I'm going to apply this in all of the areas that I like to highlight, and this is going to brighten me up. It's also going to smooth the skin, and it stays put for 12 hours. This is a self-setting concealer, so you guys don't necessarily have to use a powder when using this concealer, which is really good. You're gonna see how it just instantly brightens up the area underneath my eyes and kind of just smooths as well, and it gives you medium buildable coverage, pretty much the same as the foundation, and it just really awakens the under eyes, you guys can see, and it really just brightens up the area. And a little bit goes a long way because I only applied a little bit underneath the eyes, and I'm able to cover this entire area even though I only applied it up here. So I'm going to set that concealer, even though you don't have to. It's kind of like that little security blanket for me, especially because it's still like in the 90s here. Now that concealer is available in 22 shades and it's $28, and you can get that from Sephora inside JCPenney and Sephora, the same places you can get the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. So again, you guys can check the description description box for the concealer as well. So now we're going to move on to bronzer, and I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola bronzer. I'm going to be doing a very simple makeup look. Number one, because I need to leave in 30 minutes. And number two, just feel like doing something very natural today. I don't really have big plans, just going to get my nails done with my mom. I feel like my window makes like this side of my face brighter, so let me close it. It probably looks a whole lot better. I gotta remember to close that when I start filming. Super pretty bronzer. And then for blush, I'm going to use the Sephora Collection Hot Flush Blush, which is one of my faves. If you guys decide to pick up the foundation, definitely pick this up as well. I mean, it is such a beautiful blush. You can wear it year round. It gives you that flush of spring and summer on the cheeks. All right, so I'm going to do my brows really quick and I'll be right back. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked Honey palette, and I'm going to use basically probably 2 eyeshadows because like I said, I don't really want a super intense eyeshadow look. So I'm going to go into the shade Keeper, which is this shade right here, and it's going to be my transition, and apply this to the upper crease and kind of circling it down to the outer corner. Right, and then I'm going to go into the shade Flyby. It seems like it has a little bit of shimmer. I haven't tried this shade yet. So, but yeah, it's like a satin shade. It's gonna be perfect for today. Okay, I'm going to go back in to the transition color that we used and just smoke it a little bit. So for highlight, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Face Illuminator in the shade Addiction, and it's a gold shade. Super pretty. Like, look how pretty that is. I mean, it almost makes you not want to use it. But I feel like it's gonna go really well with the eye look because my crease shade is a little bit goldish. Pretty, look at that. Okay, so I'm going to apply these natural lashes from Velour, and they are in the style No Drama, which no drama of a lash. So I'm going to quickly apply these off camera, and I'll come back, apply a little mascara. All right, so these lashes are so sweet and cute. I mean, they make me look sweet, and I'm not sweet. I'm far from sweet. I'm going to apply the It Cosmetics Lash Blowout Mascara. Super cool packaging. Apply this to the upper lashes, kind of just on my real lashes, even though they pretty much are the same length as these false lashes. But you know, and then also apply it to the bottom. So right now I'm applying a dark brown lip pencil. Then I'm going to apply the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Fuel. And then I'm going to spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray in the shade, in the scent Summer Solstice. So this is the finished makeup look using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation and the Makeup Forever Ultra HD self-setting concealer. If you guys want to shop either one of these products, make sure you check out the link in the description box, or you can head into your closest Sephora inside JCPenney or Sephora. Thank you guys so much for watching this makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of it down in the comments. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel down below, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.